Imagine typing just one sentence and watching it transform into a full, cinematic AI video. Sounds unreal, right? That's exactly what Pollo AI can do. No editing skills, no expensive software, just pure AI magic. Welcome to Next Gen AI Lab, the place where I share the smartest AI tools, simple content creation hacks, and ways to work smarter, not harder. If you're ready to stay ahead in the AI game, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. All right, let's dive in, and I'll show you step by step how to create your first stunning video with Pollo AI. First things first, if you don't feel like clicking any links, just open your browser and type pollo.ai in the address bar. Press enter, and you'll land right on the home page. From here, hit Start for free. You can sign up using your email or simply with Google. I'll go with Google since it's the quickest. And just like that, we're inside the Pollo workspace. Before jumping into creating, let's take a quick look at Pollo AI's paid plans. The free plan is great for testing things out, but you're definitely going to want to upgrade. You've got Lite at $15 per month, Pro at $29 per month, and you can get 50% off both when you go yearly. The Pro plan includes HD downloads without watermarks and gives you 800 credits each month. If you ever need more, you can adjust the slider to add extra. Credits work like tokens. AI images usually take about 5 to 10 credits. Videos range from 25 to 50, and advanced models such as Google V3 use around 250 to 300 credits per video. If you've ever wondered how easy it is to turn a simple idea into a full video, Pollo AI makes it crystal clear. Just scroll down and you'll see plenty of examples, real videos that were created in seconds with Pollo AI. What's even better? You can actually look at the exact prompts that made those videos. That means you don't just watch, you learn how it was done. And here's the beauty of it. This feature, the ability to turn any thought into a complete AI-generated video, is one of Pollo's most powerful tools, and it all begins with a single prompt. All you do is click text to video, choose your model, Pix, Kling, Halo, and more, and let Pollo do the rest. Simply write a prompt, for example, a man jogging on the beach at sunrise, click continue, and AI will generate 3 prompt options. Choose the one that suits you best and confirm. You can also select the aspect ratio, such as 16:9, or pick other options like 9:16 or 1:1, depending on your preference. Next, you'll see options for public visibility and copy protection. If you keep public visibility enabled, the video will be visible to the public. Enabling copy protection ensures that no one can copy your generated video. For more details, you can hover your mouse over the eye icon. Finally, click the Create button, and after some time, your video will be ready. Take a look at this generated video. It's truly amazing and looks so realistic. And that's how simple it is to turn an idea into a full AI video with Pollo AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and share it with a friend who loves AI too. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen AI Lab. I'm dropping the smartest AI tools, tutorials, and tips every single week to help you create faster and stay ahead of the curve. See you in the next video.